Here are 5 ways that ChatGPT can assist with homework or help college students. Explaining concepts. If you're struggling to understand a concept from a textbook or lecture, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simpler terms. It can break down complex ideas, provide examples, and offer additional resources for further learning. Providing step-by-step solutions. ChatGPT can assist with solving math problems, physics equations, or other technical questions by providing step-by-step solutions. This can help you understand the process and approach required to solve similar problems. Offering research assistance. If you're working on a research paper or project, ChatGPT can help by suggesting relevant sources, providing summaries of articles or papers, and offering guidance on conducting effective research. Assisting in essay writing. ChatGPT can offer suggestions for essay structures, help generate ideas, provide vocabulary and grammar tips, and offer feedback on your writing to improve the overall quality of your essays. Reviewing study materials. Before an exam or test, you can ask ChatGPT to review your study materials and ask questions based on the content. It can help you identify gaps in your knowledge and reinforce important concepts. Remember that while ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance, it's always important to critically analyze the information, consult additional sources, and ensure that you fully understand the concepts and complete your own work.